What's good, YouTube? In one of my previous videos, I promised you a fresh new playlist called Blazor in the Terminal. And yeah, here it is. So usually Blazor content relies on traditional IDEs like Visual Studio or JetBrains Rider. However, this is not what we're doing here. This is Blazor in the Terminal. This is a step-by-step build of a real application, while all we're using is the CLI, NeoVim, and some clean, reproducible workflows. No hidden tools, no magic. So here's the roadmap. Number one, we're creating a Blazor solution structure entirely from the terminal, clean, no templates used beyond what we actually need. Number two, in order to have a clean separation between the moving parts, we are going to introduce an ASP.NET Core Web API as a backend service and connect it properly. Number three, we containerize the entire stack for Docker or Podman so it runs consistently anywhere. Number four, hosting. So we now take the containerized app and deploy it. And with the help of Caddy as a reverse proxy, this is where it becomes a real accessible system. And in the end, we're going to extend the existing app that we have with WebAssembly and PWA capabilities while leveraging the project structure that we just put in place before. So just to recap, the topics that we're going to talk about is Blazor, ASP.NET Core, Caddy as a reverse proxy, hosting on Linux with Docker. We're going to use the Azure Container Registry to host our Docker images. And we're going to operate Azure via the Azure CLI. So by the end of the series, you will have a complete production-ready setup, built from scratch, fully understood, entirely terminal-driven. So in the next video, we're going to start at zero and build the foundation, the solution structure.